what are some of the things that you do in your day to day that you're like, man, I really benefited from Colaberry for these skills?
So first is SQL, learning SQL, building a table, creating joins. So creating joins is one thing you're going to really see when you get a job, and store procedures. Those things are very popular. And the great thing about my team too is are they are willing to help. So I'm also in a great team where if I'm stuck on something, they're able to help me with. But Colaberry really helped me with SQL and also reporting. So I initially joined when I was doing my internship with Colaberry. I was doing Tableau, but I got hired for a different reporting tool, which is similar to Tableau. So now when I was now learning this tool, I was like, oh, it's almost like Tableau. So now I'm using Spotfire. So it's not really well known, but it's used by a lot of companies. So we use Spotfire for reporting, and it's the reporting from PPC and SQL helped a lot. Now that I'm doing ETL, now I can I didn't like really get to know ETL well when I was in Calabar. It was pretty hard, but because I did it, now I'm still able to transfer the knowledge that we're now doing and using JavaScript as our ETL. So I'm like, oh, I know how to make a package. Oh, I'm cleaning data, I'm putting it here. Oh, I did that in SSIS. So it's coming back to me now. So
What are some challenges that you faced on the job, and how were you able to overcome them?
I think the challenges that I faced, and I think some people say, oh, it's easy, but it's Excel. I never knew that Excel is really needed that much. Almost every job, you're gonna need Excel. VLOOKUP is, it's used a lot. So the great thing about it is I had a good resource. I was able to contact Colaberry alumni. I had a good workmate. So this is me. I try make friends, which it's also I end up being friends with them, but I try kind of be buddy with someone at work, get on their good side because I know I'm gonna need help. So I end up being buddy with friends. And now actually very good friends. We actually go to a lot of soccer games together. But because of him, when I'm stuck, I go to him a lot and he helps me a lot. And I would say that's one thing, like kind of get close to somebody and to a point where they also understand, oh, you're trying to learn, and they're able to help you to learn. And